Hi guys, welcome back to Everyday Living with Andy. Happy Sunday. I hope you're having an awesome and amazing time. I hope your week has started off on well and you're amazing and you're blessed and you're doing good. I really wish the best for everyone who's watching me. I wish the best for my subscribers, for those who have subscribed, and also those who haven't subscribed. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your chance. Click on the subscription button. Also click on the notification button so that you can know whenever I post an amazing video. Yeah, so today is on a Sunday. It's actually in the evening. The sun is also going down. I want to make I bought green tea. Let me show you the green tea I bought. I want to make dinner, but before making dinner I want to, this is Eden green tea. I want to make green tea and take some. So lately I started a new fitness weight loss journey. I'm really trying to lose some weight, and I had started with intermittent fasting. I know most of you have heard about intermittent fasting, and if you don't know about intermittent fasting, please Google it. Please go, there's so much information out there about intermittent fasting, but generally it mainly focuses on you have like a period where you're not eating, and then you have like a small window where you eat. So right now that's what I'm doing, and since I want to make dinner and I'm not going to eat, my next eating period will start from tomorrow at 7. So I want to take the green tea because I've noticed it really helps with curbing your appetite. So anytime I take green tea, I don't have a problem with watching my kids eat, even cooking and not wanting to eat. I can say that, yeah, I've really decided to take my fitness journey seriously. Yeah, that's what I can say, because I have been doing this for more than a month, and I of course I have slept, I would say maybe 1 or 2 times only, but so far so good, and I'm enjoying the process, and I can't wait to like fully see the results, because right now I'm not really, I can say I've lost a few pounds, but I'm very way far from my goal, like how I want to look, how I want to feel, how I want my clothes to fit, and yeah, stuff like that. So I want to make green tea. I've sent my Buddha guy to get me water, clean drinking water, because a water is the salty one. I don't want to make my green tea with that. So he's going to get me clean drinking water. I make my green tea, drink it, and then I can make dinner for the kids. I'm just from watching Linda Mary, and she's made some amazing salad. I want to make not salad, stir-fried veggies, but I don't want to make the stir-fried veggies because I don't have the ingredients today, but I think I'll make it. I will make it maybe this week. I'm not really, yeah, this week I'll have to make it because it really looked so yummy. But the thing I want to make that I've seen her making is what is it, egg curry. Yeah, I want to make egg curry for my babies, and I don't know if I'll make the egg curry with, I don't know if they'll take it with rice or spaghetti. I'll have to ask them what they want to eat, because me, I'm not eating, so they'll have to tell me what they want to take the egg curry with. Yeah, so that's it. That's what I've been up to. Yeah, that's what I've been up to, and I'm enjoying this new phase in my life. I'm really enjoying, and you can even see, I think it's even helping. It has even cleared my skin. I am glowing. I am glowing. You can see I am glowing, and also my face even looks kind of smaller. I used to look like this. Okay, anyway. Anyway, yeah, so let me cook. No, let me wait for the water, and then I make the green tea, and then I can make supper. So guys, please stick around till the end. Please like this video, please subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, welcome back. There is amazing content over here, like amazing. So yeah, so let's do this.
Still a little rough around the edges, and the less I say, the better things seems to go. When you need someone that you also feel needed, you're so beautiful, I'll give you my heart.
Yeah, so I want to put the water there. I've switched it on. I want it to boil, and then I can make my green tea. Okay, I'm really loving how I look. I really look good. I'm really glowing. Yes, baby? Okay. Hey, so I fixed my green tea. That's how it's looking. Yeah, you just put the tea bag in hot water and wait for like 3 to 4 minutes, and then you take it like that. You don't add sugar, you don't add milk, because if you add the sugar and the milk, you like dampen the whole idea of for its purpose. Yeah, because it's supposed to be like a healthy tea, and you're not supposed to, even the sugars and the milk will just add calories, and you're supposed not to eat any calories during the fasting period. Yeah, so let me take my green tea. The kids have settled on spaghetti, so I am making the sun is, yeah, I am making spaghetti and the egg curry. Yeah, that's what we are making. So stick around guys, stick around, and I hope you have liked the video. So I'm boiling some eggs for the egg curry, and then I want to also make the spaghetti. It's an easy meal. It's really quick to make. The eggs are still boiling. I think they're ready. I want to remove them, and there is the spaghetti cooking over there. Yeah, that's what I want to do just now. I want to remove this and put them in cold water to shock them, so that it can be easier to peel them. Still drinking my green tea over here. I am telling you this. It's not easy. This is an acquired taste. But I also wanted to go and buy, I've seen Ketepa have green tea with, like there's green tea with orange and green tea with lemon and such, but it's kind of expensive, because this one was going for, the Eden one was going for 190 something, almost I'd say 200, and the Ketepa one was going for like almost 300. So I opted for this one, but next time if I have some money, I think I'll buy that one, the one with orange and some other flavors. I don't know if the flavors are okay or if they're 0 calorie, but I'll check and see. So I'm almost done with this. Yeah, this is ready. Yeah, this is ready, but I'm not throwing away this water. You see this water? This is going to be our egg curry gravy. I will just want to sieve it and put it in another clean sufuria. Forgotten to switch off that one. Yeah, let me do this. So I just want to get this water and put it there. Let me use it's I don't know. Yeah, let me use this so that I don't burn myself. don't know if it's going to work. I think you're going to have to. Let me see. Yeah. And drain all the water out of it. Yeah.
No.
This is hot.
No,
That's hot, Gospel. Yeah, so this is water we have.
you want to...
Collected. Now I want to add blue band here and some salt, and then I can start making the curry. So we just added blue band. Actually, it's not blue band. I've added Prestige. I prefer cooking with Prestige. Yeah, see? So now I want to remove the shells from this. So let's fry the... Oh, I'm going to use this big one. Yeah, let's just use that. I had some oil. I was frying some things yesterday. Let me just use this. Okay, that's what I'm going to use. Not too much. Add some onion. I'll cut with you. Let me just use this. I'm just cutting some onions. I'm not going to use like the fresh tomatoes because I just want to use, I will use tomato paste. Yeah.
Ow.
Sorry, Cassian. Stop playing in the kitchen. My baby. Stop playing in the kitchen. Yeah, so that's, ooh, what's busting inside there? Yeah. Let's wait for those ones to cook. And then I'll just add tomato paste and then this water. That's it. Oh yeah, forgotten. I need to make the eggs, to peel the eggshells. Yeah, still going on with my green tea. And it's getting stronger. But I'll finish it. I will do this. Yeah, I just want to remove the eggshells from this. Caspian, take a look at what my baby is doing. Let me show you. This car down there. Eh, Caspian, can you go play the sitting room? Hiya, let me reduce this because I'm staying late. Ah, they're coming out well. Okay, that's one. Oh, this one cracked. See? I think it's good. Ah. It hasn't spoiled. Yeah. I've finished removing. Not perfectly done, but this will do. I don't cut my eggs when I'm making egg curry because I realized somehow you can lose the yolk in the stew. So I'll just put them whole. I'll just cut the egg. on the plate now because my babies really like yolk. Yeah, so the onions are frying. Let me add. Ah, guys, look at how beautiful the sky is today. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It looks so nice. This is so beautiful. Ah, these are the small things that you just appreciate in life. Ah, it's evening and the sun is going down and wow. It just looks, yeah, baby, it's color orange. You got it. It's color orange and it's so beautiful. Wow. Okay, let's continue with the cooking. This is the tomato paste I want to use. Yeah, I like it and it tastes okay. Yeah, so I just want to add this to the onions and then we continue with the cooking. Yeah, I added the tomato paste. I think I'm creating a shadow. Let me move. Yeah, there you go. I'm just going to use a bit of curry powder. I have some curry. Yeah. That is looking good. Let's add some curry powder. As always, you know the curry powder that I like. That's it. I am not adding anything else. And then we add the water. This is the water we got from the yeah. Don't forget to add some salt. I'm not cooking a lot, so I won't use a lot. And also I want to salt this. Yeah. And then let's just put the eggs. That's all. That is all. Like I said, I don't usually put, I don't cut the eggs. I just use them like that. You see how the curry is thick? You see? Yeah, so this is just enough for the babies. I'm not adding any more water. This will suit them because the mother is not eating today. The things we have to do for looking good, but I don't regret it. This is something I've made a decision on and I want to stick with it till the end. I want to look good. I want to feel good about myself, and I'm going to go at it until I achieve what I want. Yeah, so I'm just going to reduce the heat on that, let it simmer a bit, and then we'll serve. That's all, simple as that. The spaghetti is here, it's ready, and now we're just waiting for that. I feel like I've used like a big pot, but it's okay, it's okay. That looks so yummy. Yeah, so that's how our food is looking. This is Caspian's. He only eats one egg. Look at how thick the curry is. And then this is for Castiel. He requested for 2 eggs. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for them to finish taking their shower and then they can eat. I served it so that it can cool down before they're through with their shower. Yeah, so that's how it's looking. Very yummy. very tasty, smelling amazing. I can't wait for them to taste and they can tell me how it's tasting. And then it's an easy meal that you can make. This is a very easy meal that you can make. It took me less than an hour, and it's satisfying. You have your proteins and you have your, it's a balanced diet. Yeah, it's a balanced meal. What am I saying? Yeah, it's a balanced meal. Yeah, so let them finish with the shower and then they can tell us how it tastes. Yeah. Aya, taste it and tell me, Castiel.
Mommy.
Castiel, that's too small. Taste nini.
Touch Mimi.
Hata wewe? Okay, taste baby. How is it? Thumb of approval from baby. And you, Castiel?
Nice.
It's awesome. Yeah, so guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have liked the video. I hope you have subscribed. And please leave a comment and tell me, yeah, just tell me what you think. See you in the next one, guys. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching. Tell them bye.
Bye.